Toyota's most exclusive nameplate is stepping into new territory, and it does not whisper. It makes a statement. Since 1967, Century has been Japan's quiet pinnacle of luxury, even hosting Toyota's only V12 in the second generation. After the ultra-premium sport utility vehicle in 2023, there is now a clear signal that a coupe is on the way, teased as a one-of-one creation. Whether it is a concept or a bespoke commission, the message is the same. Century is evolving, and Toyota is confident enough to experiment at the very top of its hierarchy. The design flips expectations. The coupe uses sliding doors and deletes the B-pillars entirely, a choice that turns every entry into a theater moment. The passenger side appears to wear a shorter rear sliding door, hinting at genuine rear seating. Look closer, and the Teasers suggest something even bolder inside. A possible central driving position and a rectangular steering wheel that looks more like a precision instrument than a traditional helm. The exterior details spark questions about what lives under the hood. There are vents cut into the long bonnet, and the imposing grille, crowned by the gold phoenix, does not look fully closed. That leaves the door open for an internal combustion powertrain, or at least a hybrid arrangement. The rear glass is gone in favor of a more sculptural tail, while dual-layer headlights and taillights give the front and rear a jeweled signature at night. In person, this machine looks unusually tall for a coupe, which only heightens its presence. The fast roofline will likely trade a bit of rear headroom for that dramatic silhouette, but the intent is clear. This is a flagship meant to arrive. There are no Toyota badges anywhere, in keeping with Century's status as a separate brand sitting above Lexus, and the stance says chauffeur-grade luxury reimagined for a driver who still wants to be seen. If Toyota gives a production green light, there is every reason to believe it will not stay confined to Japan. The sport utility vehicle already stepped into China, and the brand has publicly talked about taking Century global. A broader family of body styles feels inevitable if the response lands the way Toyota expects. The coupe is set for a full reveal at the end of the month during the Japan Mobility Show, and we will be there to see whether this one-of-one is the beginning of something bigger. If you enjoyed this first look, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the full story.